This phone allows you to be a local anywhere you go. So I've started Nokia Maps and I can instantly see where I am. I've tapped nearby so I can see the top 25 best places to eat and drink. That's bars, that's restaurants, cafes, there's nightclubs, shops, sites, museums, and there's plenty more as well. So I can see when I tap on the info bubble more information about the place, such as the title and the star rating and how long it's going to take me to get there. So if we take this place, 15 for example, and tap the info bubble, we can find out more information about the place, such as the address, the contact details. We can find curated content from providers like Lonely Planet and Michelin. We can find reviews from users of Quipe, on Burp in India, and many other different providers. We can see photos of this place as well. We can see reviews, as I said, from Quipe. This user tells us a lot about it, so we can really understand what the place is like. We can see guides as well. So Via Michelin has reviewed it, which sounds really good to me. If we go back, I can see alternative places nearby in case I'm not too sure on this one. I can share it with my friends on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Windows Live, SMS, and email. I can pin it to my start screen so I can easily get there again. I tap it on my home screen, Nokia Maps instantly shows me the place page with all the same information about that place. If I tap back, I see my position right away. I can easily search for places I want to go to with history and type ahead suggestions. If I pick a place that I searched for previously, which is a nice bar in central London, Nokia Maps will then show me this place onto the map with the info bubble, allowing me to access it and then get walking directions, driving directions and public transport for hundreds of cities around the world. So public transport, we have a lot of data available to us, so we can show you when and where to get off the underground, we can show you where to change, and exactly how to get there. Unfortunately, the internet connection here is not so great. I'll try once more for you. Unfortunately, the network's down in this office and there's no SIM card. So here it is, Lounge Lover is on the map. I can zoom in, the map instantly updates, tap the info bubble, and again, I tap get directions with the address, Nokia Maps will show me the smartest way to get there. Unfortunately, it's not going to work, but I can show you maps on the N9 instead if you prefer. The Nokia Maps on the N9 works on and offline, including offline search. So right now I was showing the previous customer 3D landmarks in Shanghai. If I tap my position button, the map will rotate north, and I tap it again, and it will fly me back into my position here in London. Back into my position here in London. I can set the application to be in offline mode. I can tap into search. I can search for a nice restaurant in central London and see it straight away on the map, completely offline. I can tap the info bubble. I can see basic contact details when I'm offline. When I'm online, I can find lots of rich content, including photos. I can tap get directions and I can choose the smartest way to get there. May that be walking navigation, that's available in hundreds of countries with turn-by-turn voice guidance, including text-to-speech. I can drive there with full drive navigation experience, or I can use public transport. If I tap get directions on public transport, it shows me the very best way to get there using TfL here in London. And I can see I need to catch the DLR and then switch the central line when we get to Bank. I can see all this information in a list. It tells me exactly when and where I should get off, including which direction, and all the stations I'm going to go through on my way. And again, public transport routing is available in hundreds of cities around the world when you're on and offline. You can update your maps at any time and get more maps by coming to Manage Maps, Add Maps, selecting the region you want to install, connecting to a Wi-Fi network, and then pressing download. Nokia Maps will then download maps for free anytime you want it.
Ladies